introduce myself. I'm Shang from Aurra Markets. I'm the Operation and CS Director there. So today we will talk about how AI will reshape our entire finance world. So back in the days when we have most of the financial top tier insight and top tier information is well kept behind the closed door. Normal traders or investors, they find it hard or almost impossible to actually access it because those big companies, big corporations, they will have a massive team of analysts. They can have a very expensive subscription of the terminals or even have more insight. So they will have a bigger advantage. For us, retail traders or investors, we can only get this information by some latency or even we don't. But back in the days now, we have AI. We can see how AI is reshaping the whole finance world by providing us those kind of services. They can act as our own personal assistant or analyst against those big wild and big companies to make better portfolio for us. So AI is changing the industry. Some high quality data and analysis is available for everyone. So look at what two amazing things that AI can do for us. First of all, AI can scan thousands of news articles, social media feeds, financial news, and it measures the market sentiment for us. It can also do a conclusion or summary for us in almost instant, in a second or in a minute. Secondly, they can spot the pattern. Millions of instant market movement, millions of pricing movement and data is actually being able to process by AI almost instantly. So they look at the back historical data and they can spot some trend for us. This is most important for us to build a good portfolio as trader. So this is two amazing things that AI can do for us. Previously, when we without AI, we have a very big disadvantage in doing that. We only can get information maybe in a week or in a month, but AI can do it almost instantly for us. So what else can AI do? They are not only focusing on data. Of course, you can get massive of data to AI to process it. It can only do some logical analysis for you. For example, when a company or stock markets, they will have some like interviews or earning calls. One CEO may say, hey, we are highly confident. Then the AI will say, okay, this is a confident level is 4 tiers. But when it changes to we expecting to achieve, the AI can flag it out with instant response and change the confidence level and make adjustment for us. This is really attractive and interesting. It also allows us to spot underlying hesitation to help us to make reasonable decision. And at the end of the day, what we want is to earn more money by using AI tools. So, talking about earning money, to build a portfolio, how can we build a smarter portfolio by using AI? For some research saying that around 75 to 90% of the investment loses because of one dangerous thing for emotional bias. Our humor as a really intelligent things in the world, we are actually stuck in emotional bias. So for AI, they are 100% logical. They actually are logical and they defeat the panic of being biased. When the markets go against your way, you will actually freak out. As me, when I back in the days when I trade, actually when the market goes against me, I will get freaked out. But on the other hand, if I earn money, I will get greedy. So there's no discipline, totally no discipline. I cannot actually execute my trading strategy by my own because I have emotional bias. But for AI, they do not feel any fear and hopes. So they act as a strict based on how we train them, how we program it, and how the strategy works without any bias. So they can execute our trading strategy 100% and efficient. And the efficiency is very nice. Are we talking about autopilot portfolio? Let's say we use like flying a plane as the example of autopilot. The plane actually, the autopilot will base on the weather condition, with the flying condition, and some unexpected factors, and they will readjust the flying mode for, for the plane. For AI, it's the same. They spot the patterns, they spot volatility, they spot differences, and they actually make adjustment to our portfolio as well by our own interest. They're also reacting fast. Certain event occurred at one point. We're still finding resources, and then why it goes that way. AI operate instantly for it. So with this powerful tool, they are our best personal assistant. So here a graph showing how human versus AI can be. The red line indicates how human being do investment. You can see a lot of ups and downs. Of course, there's a lot of opportunity and losses also. But you can see in the green line for AI trading investment strategy, they are going very smooth. They stabilize out our uncertainty and is more suitable for long-term investment strategy. So we are asking ourselves, either we're going AI or we're going human. Why not we're going both hybrid? What is hybrid is we use human. We actually have a higher picture, bigger picture than them. We understand human behavior, we have emotions, we understand political stance and news, and we can make decisions based on those unexpected events. What AI can do is all the dirty job, data analysis. They can process everything within a second. So why not we combine both together to have the best results? Here is a comparison on how human and AI, we have limited processing power while AI has max. Emotion, we have high emotion and AI has no emotion. These two parts we need to use a safe panel AI. But for unexpected event, something to do with human behavior and so on, I think human being is still a more suitable ways to do it. So doing hybrid would be the way to go in the future of trading. So question to you guys is, should we rely on doing everything manually like back in the days? Or we start to use AI to utilize it and integrate with the human intelligence? So the question to you guys is that. And if you want to experience a more hybrid way of trading with AI, please come to booth 33, Aurra Markets. We are able to help you to do that. Thank you for the day, and thank you for all your attention.